Welcome to our session today. We are going to look on Xlookup when you are trying to look up your data from from different sheets. Yeah, that's somehow it's a different one from when you're looking from the same sheet. Maybe you may ask yourself, how can I extract or look up values from a different sheet? For example, maybe you just have want to extract some few records from the master data. And now here we have our region and country, and we want to extract the total revenue to look up the total revenue and total profit from our master data, which is in sheet 3. If you look at it, it has got so many columns, and maybe you don't need all of these. Just need your region, your country, and the total revenue and the total profit. How will you go about that? That you come to your new file, or then the file that you want to populate, and you use your lookup function. Yeah, you start with the equal sign, you type your lookup function. You can press on tab button or key on your keyboard. Then the first one will be the search key. The search key here is our region, that is A2, comma. Then you go to your lookup range. Lookup range is the entire column A, excluding the column ender, the late of it. And for you to be on the safe side to avoid an expected result, you lock that lookup range by pressing sorry by pressing F4, and now you change it to a absolute reference. That means it can't change even if you drag your formula. It will remain in that range. Then after that, you are going to enter your research range, or the result that you want to look for. And now our result range is in the column of total revenue, that is column J. You come and select your result range. Yeah, and now because we have all the data, you don't need to specify the if not found or the search mode or the match mode and all that. You just lock your research range by pressing F4, or just typing the dollar sign before the column that is before J and before 2, and then before J and before 8, for it to be an absolute reference. Then you close your formula by typing the closing bracket, then you press enter. After pressing enter, you find already it has returned the revenue for the first region, that is Australia and Oceania. Then you can drag your formula downwards, since we have already fixed the lookup range and the result range. I'll be going to go. If you want to do the same of the profit, the process is the same. You come type your formula, your function, that is Xlookup, press tab, and then the search key is that one, then comma, you go to the lookup range in your master sheet, your master data, then your lookup range is A2 to A8, then you lock it, comma, then from there you come to your result range, which is now the total profit. Previously you looked at the total revenue, now you're looking at the total profit. You select the ranges and you lock it, and then you close it, and you'll be good to go. Click enter, and then you can okay, another shortcut for you to apply the formula to the done ones. After you have come to your already filled column, or the already filled formula, you can double click on it, for it to apply done once. Yeah, now you find that there is a missing value that is on Europe. Let's check if in the master data European function, yeah, it was missing. So it didn't have the value for total profit. And now you are going to go. On the next one, we'll look on how to fix on those that they are not found, or maybe they are missing values or errors and all that. Yeah, thank you for having your time, and I believe for you to be able to master it, you have to practice. So do more practice, and if you have any challenge, can let me know by the comment. Thank you.